Hi, this is Doreen with WTI. If you are tired of waiting almost a full working day for your Ring quick release battery to charge with a USB connector it comes with, well, this Ring charging station will change your life. Two things I love about this charging station is that it's pleasing to the eye. You don't have to worry about multiple charging cables cluttering your space. It's easy to look at and it looks cute just resting on a countertop. Another thing I love about this is that it charges twice as fast as using the traditional charging cable. It is quick and simple to use. You just stick the battery right into the base. A cool feature about this charging station is that it has indicator lights to show you how much of the battery has currently charged. For me, it takes about 4 hours to get 100% battery life. It also has two slots so you can charge two batteries at the same time. So if you don't want to be waiting around all day for your Ring batteries to charge, you will love this Ring charging station. And that is my point of view.